Hey guys, hope you're having a great night so far. I want to show you how to work on least common multiple tonight. So either you just want to watch this video or you need some more practice. So let's go ahead and do a few examples of least common multiple. Remember that the least common multiple is the smallest multiple that two or more numbers have in common. So let's go ahead and find the least common multiple of 3 and 5. So it has the word multiple in it. So remember, least common multiple, or LCM. So let's go ahead and list the multiples of each number. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. And I'm going to stop there just because I don't want to go too high and not have found my multiple yet. So let's come over here and let's do 5, 10, 15. Oh, and look at that. I can already see that I have one in common here. So the smallest multiple that both the numbers 3 and 5 have in common is 15. So that means the least common multiple is 15. All right, let's try another one. Now, this would be a great time for you to pause the video after I say the problem and see if you can work it on your own. Let's try the least common multiple of 7 and 6. So go ahead and pause, see if you can do it on your own, and then you can play it and see how you did. So I'm going to start with the multiples of 7, 14, 21, 28, 35. And I'm going to go ahead and stop there because I'm not sure how far I need to go. So I'm going to come over and do my 6s, 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36. Oh man, I still haven't found it yet. Now, I've been doing multiples for years, so I can list out the multiples super fast. But if you don't list them out that fast, that's absolutely fine. Take as much time as you need, even if you need to write them off to the side. So to find the next multiple of 6, I would do 36 plus 6. So I can go ahead and solve that problem over here. 3 plus 1 is 4. So my next multiple is 42. And I can come over here, and if I'm not sure what my next multiple of 7 is, I could come over here and add 7 to my 35, and I would get 42. So look at that. I have my least common multiple because the smallest number, or the smallest multiple that both the numbers have in common, is 42. Now, let's try one last one, and again, you could try this one on your own also. Let's try the least common multiple of 12 and 6. Now, some kids are able to see right away the answer to this one, and some kids aren't, and either way is fine. So let's go ahead and start by listing our multiples. 12, 24, 36. Then I'm going to come over here and do my 6s. 6, 12, 18. And look at that. I've actually already found my least common multiple, and it is 12. So what I meant in the beginning is some kids can see that 6 actually goes into 12. So the least common multiple in this case is one of the numbers because 12 is a multiple of 12. 12 is a multiple of 6, and it's the smallest one that they both have in common, or the smallest multiple that they both have in common. So the least common multiple here is 12. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you have a great night, and we'll see you tomorrow.